Ever been jolted awake by a midnight notification? Not anymore. Today, I'm showing you how to make your phone auto silent every night. No apps, no apps, just pure peace. Let's fix your sleep once and for all. So to auto mute your phone at night, you have to watch this video to the end because you can't afford to miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, you're going to tap on the settings, and then we are going to scroll down a bit, and then we tap on sound, okay? So at the sound, we are going to tap on do not disturb. So at the do not disturb, we are going to tap on turn on automatically, okay? So I'm going to tap on that. So at the turn on automatically, we are going to create a rule, okay? So I'm going to tap on add rule. So the rule, you can choose a rule type. You can use an event or you can use the time. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use the time for this tutorial. So I'm going to tap on the time. And then here we are going to name our rule auto silence, okay? Silence. Then I'll tap on add. So now we are going to set the start time for the auto silence. I'm going to tap on the start time, okay? So at the start time, I'm going to use the time 11. So I'm going to use 5, okay? So I'm going to change it to 11:5 for the demonstration purposes, okay? Then I'll change the PM to AM. Then I'll tap on OK, okay? So now we've changed the start time to 11:5. So at 11:5, the phone will be muted automatically, okay? And then the end time, when you want the phone to be unmuted, so I'm going to change the time to 11, let's say 30, okay, AM. Then I'll tap on OK. So when I go back, you can see the rule we just created, auto silence, okay? So at 11:05, you see the auto silence icon at the top where we have the network signals, okay? So at 11:05, the phone will be muted automatically. And at 11:30, the phone will be unmuted. So I'm going back, and then you see one rule which is created, okay? One rule created. So for the purpose of this tutorial, please stick and stay whilst we demonstrate the outcome, okay? So now you see the auto silence icon or the silence icon at the top where we have the network signals, okay? So you see it. So you can change the time to your bedtime, okay? Like the time you are going to bed, you can change the time for your phone to be muted automatically. And then you change the time, the end time to the time you want the phone to be unmuted, okay? So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.